How to set up Cisco AnyConnect on your iPhone. First, go to App Store and search for Cisco AnyConnect. Install Cisco AnyConnect on your iPhone. Now open it and let's set up VPN connection together. Don't worry, it is fast and simple. Tap Allow on the prompt message. Now tap Settings. Here you need to disable Block Untrusted Servers. Now get back to Cisco AnyConnect home screen. As you can see, there are no connections. Let's create one now. Tap Connections. Input description any as you wish. Input server address. You can get it from your VPN provider. Please note, this is required field. Click Done when you are ready. Now tap Allow. Input passcode if necessary. Now switch AnyConnect VPN to On to establish your VPN connection. Enter your username and password. You get these data from your VPN provider. That's it. Now you can connect to VPN. If you need safe and reliable VPN, get your AeroShield today. Free trial available.